That is Comet in run 79.
Yes.
Yeah, and this is Rain in run 202. I think they're very relaxed. Look at that, he's cute.
Yeah, he's a
He
good
is
boy.
he is one of those, I don't know, he's that soft look. I love his patches.
Oh, where are we going?
Because she's all for it. And she's good. She was good with Tom Tom. She was so sweet.
Oh, Pops. Hey.
That's the wrong way around. You just don't know how it works in nature. Come on. That's not how it works. Comet! Comet, come here, baby.
He just wants to go exploring.
Yeah, he's like, I'm outside. Leave me alone. I'm gonna go pee. I need to do my business. Comet, he's not interested. He's a little guy.
He's little, but he's strong.
He's strong, but he's little. I like the little short, stocky. And she just wants to pull out. Look at that foot.
Rude! He's trying to pee.
Oh, yeah, he is peeing. That's rude, Rain.
Rude! Let him pee.
He's like, now I have unloaded and I can play with you. Come here, Comet. Now play. Oh, she just butt-headed him and he didn't do anything. That's a good dog.
I know.
Both of them are good dogs.
I know.
Oh, great.
Good guy.